hello Jill.
Hi, it's my first time for the 400 meters, so deep.
Below sea level.
Yeah.
So what are you feeling right now?
So little nervous, but it's so exciting.
Yeah, she's very excited because una sa lahat, it's not something that people just experience every day. It's something that we are proud of.
Yeah.
And I think I feel really safe because
With the boys.
I
You
am
feel
with
safe because
the
there's so many boys.
Oh, so that's it. So we are going to manakay mi ana no sa skip. So we call that the skip. Okay? So kulba-kulba na gamay no kananay tubig-tubig.
Okay, ma'am.
So karon kasulod ni